Introduction to reasoning. Introduction to reasoning. Actually, quant totally have two parts. One is arithmetic and the other is reasoning. The other one is reasoning. In that, we are going to now learn about reasoning. What is reasoning? Reasoning is the cognitive process of evaluating information, comparing it to existing knowledge and drawing conclusions or inferences. So what is reasoning? Is the cognitive process of evaluating information, comparing it to existing knowledge and drawing conclusions or inferences. So it involves active thinking to solve problems, make decisions, or form arguments. Form arguments. Key types includes deductive reasoning, what is this deductions? They will give some statements followed by some conclusions which are following we need to. And arguments, a statement followed by arguments, we need to say whether which argument is correct. Then key aspects. Of reasoning. Definition. The mental ability to analyze, evaluate, and infer from premises to reach a conclusion. Then process. Reasoning involves gathering reasoning involves gathering what? Data relating facts, identifying implications, and testing conclusions. Types of reasoning. First one, deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning. Applying general rules to specific situations. Example, all humans are mortal. Then they say that Socrates is human. Finally, what conclusion we can draw from this? Therefore, we can say, therefore, Socrates is mortal. Hope you understood this. See what they are saying? All humans are mortal. Socrates is human. So finally, we can say Socrates is mortal. Okay. Then inductive reasoning. Forming generalizations. Based on specific observations. Logical reasoning. Using structured rational arguments to establish truth. Visual, visual, spatial, visual or spatial reasoning. That is using images, shapes, and patterns. The importance in the least case, importance. Anyhow, if I say this importance or not, you will prepare. But still, it is crucial for problem solving. Decision making. Critical thinking. And reasoning is of two types. Everyone says that. One is verbal and the other one is non-verbal. Again, in that I can say verbal based on numbers and based on words or letters, and it is figures. Non-verbal is about figures. Topics which comes under verbal: calendar, blood relations, direction sense, coding and decoding, syllogisms, series, IMC means inserting missing character. Inserting missing character, clocks, cubes and dices. Some will consider these cubes and dices under non-verbal, but I say it is verbal. Number ranking, puzzle test, arithmetical reasoning, mathematical operations, logical Venn diagram. Then non-verbal. So under non-verbal, all the figures like non-verbal series. Non-verbal series means based on figures. Then analogy. Analogy in words also. Analogy and classification. Analogy is comparing. Classification is identifying which is odd one out. Mirror and water images. Paper folding, paper cutting. Analytical reasoning. Embedded figures. And incomplete pattern. So these are the topics. Nowadays, irrespective of the competitive exam, they're asking reasoning and arithmetic questions. Mostly reasoning questions they're asking in any competitive exam. So prepare well and give your best. Try to get good marks in reasoning.